Our environment is our future. It's the very basis of our existence. The legacy we leave our children and future generations depends on how we nurture and protect our environment today. That is our responsibility. Because today, our environment is under sustained attack, from global warming, from urban development, and from the pollution of our rivers and lakes. In the UK, the Environment Agency deals with nearly 500 serious pollution incidents a year, with nearly 2/3 relating to contamination of natural water sources. And a little contamination can go a long way. Just 1 litre of oil will pollute 450,000 litres of drinking water, and 1 litre of solvent will contaminate 100 million litres of water. That's equivalent to 50 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Even so-called natural organic substances can cause extensive damage. Just 1 litre of milk is enough to remove the entire oxygen content of 10 tonnes of river water. And fruit juice, alcohol or yoghurt, or any other organic drink or foodstuff can be up to 1,000 times more destructive than raw sewage, wiping out entire river populations through oxygen starvation. It is all our responsibility to ensure that we follow best practice in the handling, storage and use of liquids in our workplaces. And if a spill does take place, we must have appropriate measures in place to deal with it in a safe and controlled manner, as set out in the Environment Agency guidelines. If we don't, not only do we run the risk of contaminating the environment, so expose our workforce to potential health and safety risks, lay ourselves open to prosecution under the many laws and regulations that govern spills and their disposal, and suffer the consequences such as financial penalties, clean-up costs and adverse publicity that could result from an incident. Having the appropriate measures in place will not only protect us all, but will also help protect the environment in which we all live and depend on. The future holds great challenges for our environment, but also great potential. And the question that faces us all is, what do we want to leave future generations? Fosse Liquitrol. Protecting people, protecting the environment, protecting business equity.